You're welcome, Stinger.
I actually like this office. It's more spacious than mine. I would work wonders inside here.
The fact remains that both parties have had an equal amount of time in power since 1960.
Damn it, man!
To deliver.
You know this man must be a damn... He is a damn madman for real, you know.
Sector.
Why the hell would he do
When the
this?
tourist board was formed in 1955,
Sir?
it was designed so that our local
Okay.
investors are
Yes,
able
yes,
to
everything is alright. I'll talk to you in a bit.
Alright, sir.
I can't believe this damn madman really released this damn thing. It's which one of these media houses would put out something like this? And I thought my contact would call me and at least give me the heads up to let me know that this is gonna come out. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm just being made aware of it, sir. Sir, I promise you, I'll deal with it, sir. I'll take it. I'll ensure that it gets under control, sir. Just give me a minute, sir. Sir, I promise you, I'll get this under control. No.
Wish bar of chocolate this. Hi.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Najeri's Beauty Bar. How can I help you?
Yes, is Patsita here?
Patsita.
Oh, my bad. I think you call her Patsy?
Oh, so what she for the for you? She must be the official. We can't do it too, you know.
None of the above. This is actually a personal visit, so you know her whereabouts?
Oh, personal. So you have a family? Friend? Friend of the family?
Well, I'm a friend.
Friends? Just friends? What kind of friend? Good friend, close friend, friends with benefits. Just friends?
Is she coming back anytime soon?
I think so. But why leave the bag?
No. It's fine. You know what? I'll wait for her on the outside. Okay? And the bag stays with me.
Bye. Hi. Friends.
Babe, why you there so sit down and the door open?
Hello, good afternoon to you too. You know, from when me there wait, and see me see her come and open up the door. You know I'm no better than that.
What?
Yes, Chris. What happened? What is happening? No, for true, what happened?
What exactly I get it?
You tell me. You tell me why me spend 1 week and 1 take of it at the air show. And when it's time to pick up for that, you tell me so she not forget pick up. Do you know what day it is?
I'm fully aware of the day.
I don't think so. I don't think you're at Sana because I'm 1 week now since school starts. And tell me why our child is still in the country and run up and down when she have prep for prep 4.
I know. I talk to our teacher, so our teacher's supposed to send some work.
Oh, okay. So you're a single parent. So all of this information and when me that gonna know?
Well, me I make you know a bit. No, me I make you know. I'm come to talk to you.
Christopher. You know what I don't like? When people feel like they can't tell me for kunomono. So I understand it straight. You and the teacher communicate, but me ain't not there. Well, in a relationship, you tell me say, when I have a look at arrangement and a look at agreement to make sure say full baby. Alright? Okay.
Babe, this thing will come up within a week.
Chris, I want to go with you and a politician. How you do? Switch side?